My name is Robert Lewis and I am the proud chair of the board of NPTC Group of Colleges. I want to congratulate all of our students on their achievements today. Your successes are the result of your own dedication and hard work.
My name is 𝗟𝗵𝗵𝗂. I studied history, psychology and English literature and language, and I got 2 A's and an A star, and I'm going to Cardiff to study psychology. The lecturers were really supportive, they were really helpful.
It's fantastic to see the hard work being rewarded with the results they're gaining. It's very exciting for those young people to look at the futures ahead of them, and I'm very pleased that they're now going to be able to go ahead and look forward to a future.
I'm Emily, I studied level 3 childcare, I had distinction stars, and I'm going to Ganddyn University to do primary ed with QTS. I really enjoyed it. There's been lots of challenges throughout, but I like that I've had all the support from my tutors, and I have really enjoyed it and made lots of really good friendships from it as well. I did a BTEC instead of an A-level because I wanted the hands-on experience. I feel like it gave me a lot more in terms of I was allowed to go into a classroom, we actually had the experience of being in the school, whereas if I did A-levels I wouldn't have had that.
My name is Lloyd Jenkins. I studied history, law and politics, and I just got 3 A stars today. I'm going to Warwick University to study history and politics in September. I liked the subjects I was studying, I had an interest in them. I think that helped me get through college and actually enjoy working towards my exams.
Wel, beth sy'n gret heddi, mae'r canlyniadau mae pobl yn cael ein gam nesaf ar y siwrne sydd iddyn nhw. Bydd rhai'n aros mlaen fan hyn yn y coleg, bydd rhai'n mynd mlaen i addysg uwch a bydd rai yn cael prentisiaethau neu mynd i fyd gwaith. Felly mae llawer o lwybrau yn addas ar gyfer pobl ifanc yn y coleg yma, a cyfle i bob un ohonyn nhw wneud cyfraniad i'r economi leol neu gwasanaethau cyhoeddus leol yma yn ardal Castell Nedd. Felly mae'n ddwrnod pwysig. Dyw e ddim yn ddiwedd y byd os nag i pobl yn cael y canlyniadau maen nhw'n gobeithio cael. Mae gan bobl lawer o opsiynau. Ond mae'n gam pwysig ymlaen yn siwrne addysgol a siwrne bywyd pobl.
I'm 𝗟𝗹ន់McNeil. I studied chemistry, music, maths and the extended project, and I came out with 2 A stars and 2 A's. Now I'm going to go and study music in London in the Royal Academy of Music Conservatoire. And yeah, I'm really excited to go. Until like last year, I was insistent that I was going to do science. To some degree, I was like, this is what I should do because I'm good at it. And then I think I was sat in the car on my way to a music trip with the National Youth Orchestra, and my mum was like, I think you should go for it. So I decided, you know, I'll audition and we'll see what happens. And I've got into everywhere I auditioned, which I was not expecting.
I'm Riley Davis. I studied law, psychology, RS and the EPQ. I got 4 A's and I'm going to Cardiff to do law. The lecturers were really good at college. I felt like I developed quite a good bond with some of them, especially Bernadine Maguire as my pastoral tutor. I think they all really pushed me to do well and gave me a lot of opportunities to succeed.
I'm doubly excited today because this is the very first time since I've been an MP that I've been able to come to an educational establishment in my constituency and celebrate the A-level results. So for me, it's brilliant. And coming here today, seeing the looks on the young people's faces, seeing the excitement on the tutors' faces, and just the buzz that's going on here, it's absolutely fantastic. And everybody who tried these exams, they would have done their best. And I'm so proud of each and every one of them. But the community benefits so much when our young people actually come into a place like Neath College and actually study to further their own career. So congratulations to everyone. I'm so very proud of you. And next year, I'll be coming back to see how the next year's results go.